Alright guys, this here is a video clip from the bot execution that I was running when I recorded that video yesterday morning. You see down here at 3 something a.m. when I recorded that. So I come check my bot today, and this is the potential, I'm telling you guys. So I copied the latest version over, and let me pull up this bot for you real quick here. I'll close this a little bit and pull up the current bot now. So the price of Bitcoin has fallen back. So yesterday it was out of range of these two. Well, the price is falling, and this is where, of course, I set up the bot to start taking profits, because I set it up as BTCB to USDT. So my goal is to accumulate more Bitcoin from these bots, and that's indeed what is happening, guys. So these are the types of APIs and potentials that the bot has, right? So just in this bot, as it was executing over the past 24 hours or so, has kicked out some additional returns. So yesterday, when we saw it here, I was at 0.33%, and now I'm at 1.22% of the initial capital that I put in. Now granted, I put in Bitcoin. I'm looking to get more Bitcoin, and that's the goal. So the stats, the APY, the current amount available, current valuation, all of these things are dynamic and changing as the price changes. So this is just an excellent way. If you're holding any asset, Bitcoin, XRP, or whatever the case is, or you want to buy into those, and hey guys, the proof is right here in the pudding. And in this bot here, so I'm gonna click on just a few things just to show you guys as the bot is running. So I'm gonna click on, I guess, the log file, show you guys the executables, what's going on with the bot, how the bots are being traded, or the activity is being traded. So I just stopped this and resumed it back a minute ago after checking, testing some things, and indeed these Bitcoin payments are going into this wallet. Okay, so let me show you guys that in detail, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you my config file, and I set it up to say, hey, this is the profit wallet here. So all of the revenue that this system is generating is going into that particular wallet. So let's go to BSC scan and just dump this wallet address in there, so you guys will see 100% transparent what is going on with these the bots, the activities. Click on these tokens here, and we see here over the course of days, it's just throwing more Bitcoin into that wallet. I don't have to do a single thing, and it's just chiming away, guys. So like I say, and hey, check this out. There's something quite interesting, and this kind of gets to the degree of work that 3D puts into this bot, right? So there was one point, like, it generated some profits, and the profits were low, were extremely low. And I talked to 3D about it, so he went in and updated the slippage to where when you're entering slippage for V3, that slippage is going to increase the gap. So here, yeah, here it is. Here I'm like, bruh, I said, my bot just ran. It made some profits, but this profit is too low for the grid or the amount of assets that I was doing in the trade, right? So 3D goes off and sets it up so that by setting up the slippage or increasing the slippage, it will determine when a trade will actually be made. So that way, we as users of the platform can adjust how much profits that we're actually getting, right? So if you notice, after that happened, he implemented it. I updated it, and then I started receiving a higher amount of returns, as we see here. And then I updated it to 2. Once I updated to a slippage of 2, it started giving me even more. So what I did today is updated it to 3. I don't know. Hey, I just saw the price pulling back, right? So I'm like, let me see how much more I can get out of my trade. Now that is going to widen the spread. But again, guys, that is the cool thing about this bot. It gives you 100% control over your assets, right? So today, going at the rate it's going, that's a 282%. Now keep in mind, APYs change, things are very volatile. And as these are coming down, these APYs are coming down, this right here has shot up because of the trades that it made today. But now that it's out of this range and now trading within this range, I'm still cool because I'm going to be making money either way. And this, even though it's dropped below that, this isn't complete yet. There's like one more grid that has to make a profit under that 74,000, right? So if you look at my grid state here, see it's that $74,000 low, and I still have one that has to be filled out, right? So it's going to sell $281 and give me that in Bitcoin whenever the price reaches that certain point. All right, guys, I just wanted to drop this video for you real quick just to let you know the potential that it has, guys. And this right here is just one bot that's executing because I chose to put it within that range. And that's why I say, if you understand how to trade, if you find ranges for the assets that you'd like to trade, you can really make a killing with this bot. So hey, it's still the early stages. I'll probably be dropping more videos after the release to kind of give you guys some ideas on strategies that you can use, how it works. And I don't know it all, right? You guys go to 3D channel for all that stuff. But I'm just here to let you guys know, hey, this is 100% off the chain for you guys that want to be in the DeFi, not lose your money to these scams, and actually start profiting in the crypto space. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and we will holla on the next one. Peace out.